The Parkland Heritage Victorian Gazebo was sold at various retail stores. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number GOT226-BDBC or GO2028BRBDC. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 11.6 by 11.6 square and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are slim square frame posts with fence panels, original canopy has a striped valance, ornate design with vertical bars at bottom of each corner fence panel. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Parkland Heritage Victorian Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.